in the 90s, this was a proper boss car. Let's check it out. This right here is 1996 Jaguar XK8 convertible. One and only unit on the market. This baby is in pristine condition. Let's have a closer look. Just have a look at this beauty. The design of this car is truly a work of art. This car looks elegant, beautiful, absolutely stunning, sporty. I cannot find enough words to describe it. The body condition is absolutely mint, as though it just rolled off factory floor in 1996. But let me show you some of the details, guys. Over here we have beautiful Jaguar logo, and it says 4 liter. Yes, this car is powered by a 4 liter V8, pumping out more than 290 horsepower and almost 400 Newton meters of torque. It is a powerful drive. The roof condition is excellent. Have a look. And the mechanism works perfectly. And now we've seen all this, it's time for us to go inside. All right, we are inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. What a beautifully designed cabin. So classy, so premium. Look at how elegant all the wood looks. It's polished, it's beautiful. Comes with a very classy clock. By the way, the time it's showing is correct. You have your voltmeter, your oil pressure, your speedometer cluster is here. Guys, have a look at the mileage. Absolutely ridiculous for a 29-year-old car. Only 149,000 on odometer. You have beautiful wood and leather steering wheel. It is multifunctional as well in 1996. Electric seats with memory in 1996. It's ridiculous. Here's your climate control. Very beautiful gear knob with Jaguar logo. On here, there is also Jaguar embossed on the steering wheel. Overall, this cabin looks very beautiful. Look at the seats, and we even have space for your rear passengers as well. Okay, have another look. Alright guys, this car is beautiful, it is unique, it is rare, and the condition is wow. So, what's the deal like? You can buy it either A, with existing COE, or you can buy it with a new 10-year COE and keep it on black plates, or you can convert it to classic vehicle scheme in about 5.5 years. So, there are options for you. You've seen the car, you want to see it in person, you all know what to do. Call me, and I'll give you a good deal.